so we just got this brand new guitar from JB Music House.
Match. Excuse
Medyo
me.
low budget to compare dito sa lumang natin guitar.
Yeah.
This is a Fender Stratocaster, pero ito Fernando low budget namin yun. So this is a whole package that we bought. So meron po supposedly amplifier, strap, and po the guitar itself. Stratocaster din pong binili natin.
For now, let's go open it.
Yeah.
Welcome to our new guitar.
Welcome to our new guitar.
Or our brand new guitar.
Okay, wait lang ha. Okay, so this
Oh, yeah.
itself
Match, excuse me.
Sorry.
is the new guitar that we got. This is a Fernando Stratocaster guitar.
Yes.
In its color. Guess what color it is?
Of course, black and white and red.
Black and white and red. It's just black and white.
Why? It said black. I thought the color was black and white and red.
Yeah. Yung price nito ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section.
Let me play my
And what's that?
That's my new guitar. That's Dad's old guitar he let me hand it.
Ay! Ito siya! Oh my God! I so like it. Tapos, can you give me the stand, sweetheart?
Sorry.
Yeah, the stand, the other stand, please.
Thank
Ito siya, eh.
you.
Tapos, compared to doon, mas mababa yung fret.
I got my right guitar.
Inclusion ng kanyang package. Sweetheart, just put the guitar down, please. Inclusion ng package is
Careful, careful.
this is a
Package from the part of the guitar.
the what?
Part of the guitar.
Part of the guitar, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a 5 volt, I think, or 15 volt. Yeah. Wait na naman. Tagal ko na mag-ibuli ng guitar eh. Kahit yung mura nito ba? Okay din. Yan. Oh. Fernando. Amplifier. Nice.
Good. My guitar is probably a normal one. Dad, do you need a flip or not?
No, not yet. Tapos,
Excuse me, sorry.
Sorry,
Daddy.
sorry.
meron siyang kasamang
Tool.
oh,
Why do I need a bag?
yeah, may tremolo bar,
And a bag.
tremolo bar,
And a bag for the guitar.
and a bag, that's right, guitar strap, tuner, tsaka a few, okay, set up ko muna, tingnan natin yung sunod mo. Oh, by the way, bumili rin pala ako ng effects kasi hindi mo na rin multi-effects ko. Ayun o, overdrive lang for the meantime. Tingnan natin yung sunod niya.